Are Meyle high-definition bushings better than the factory parts for your worn suspension? Yes, they often are, but only if you value long-term durability more than the exact, soft ride your car had when it was new. Here is the simple reason why. Your car's suspension bushings are rubber cushions that absorb bumps and noise. When they wear out, you hear clunks and feel vague steering. An original equipment manufacturer part is made to bring back that new car feel. Meyle high-definition parts are different. Meyle looks at why the original part failed and then re-engineers it to be stronger. For instance, a factory part might be a soft, fluid-filled bushing that leaks over time. Meyle might replace it with a solid, reinforced rubber bushing. The solid part will last much longer, but it might make the ride feel a little firmer. You are trading a bit of comfort for a lot more strength. So, to decide if Meyle high definition is right for you, follow these steps. First, figure out why the original bushing failed. A good mechanic can tell you if it wore out from normal use after, say, 150,000 miles, or if it failed early at 60,000 miles. A part that fails early is a design weakness. In that case, an upgraded Meyle high-definition part is almost always the right choice, because it is designed specifically to fix that weakness. Second, be honest about how you use your vehicle. A work truck that is always carrying heavy loads puts constant stress on its suspension. For that truck, a heavy-duty part is a smart investment. But for a family sedan that only drives on smooth roads, the extra strength might not be necessary, and you might prefer the softer ride of the original equipment manufacturer part. Match the part to your driving habits. Third, look at the specific Meyle high-definition part for your car. Ask your supplier for details or check the Meyle catalog. They often show you exactly what is improved. You might see a photo comparing their larger, stronger ball joint next to the smaller factory one. Or they might explain how their solid bushing design replaces a weaker, hollow original. When you can see the physical difference, you know you are getting a real upgrade. Finally, think about the total, long-term cost of the repair. Do not just compare the price of the bushings. Remember to include the cost of labor to install them, plus the price of a wheel alignment, which is almost always needed after suspension work. A Meyle high-definition part might cost a little more today, but if it keeps you from having to pay for that same entire job again in a few years, it is the cheaper option in the long run. Ignoring a worn bushing is a bad idea. It causes rapid, uneven tire wear, which costs you money. It can also damage other expensive suspension parts and makes your vehicle less stable and safe to drive. If your suspension feels loose or is making noise, get it inspected soon.